more effortless, more efficient, more intelligent. Welcome to the Survey App channel.
The coordinate system is crucial when using a RTK for stakeout operations. So how do you set up a coordinate system in CV8? How to create a new coordinate system? Click the RTK button and you will see the coordinate system model in the middle of the page. Tap Config to go to the coordination system settings screen. Tap Peek to enter the precise coordinate system screen. This screen is divided into two sections: preset coordinate system and the customer coordination system. Preset coordinate systems are preloaded in the software. You can directly select the one that fits your project. You can also fill it by entering the coordinate system name or by selecting a country. The type will automatically categorize and adapt to the operation coordinate system based on your choice. The customer coordinate system allows users to edit, save, and select their own coordinate system parameters. So how do you save a newly created coordinate system? After choosing the right coordinate system, check the parameters in the ellipse sort and the projection. Once everything is correct, click Accept at the bottom right to save the coordinate system. How should different coordinate systems be switched if needed? Make sure the coordinate system parameters are correct. Change the name below to your custom name. Then click Save as Template in the top right corner to save the current parameters as a template. To switch coordination system, click Apply in the top right. Select the customer coordinate system, find and select the one you need. Then click Accept in the top right. The system will switch automatically. How can coordination system parameters be shared between different devices? In the coordination system interface, click the three dots in the top right corner to find the Share Coordinate System and Input Coordinate System. Click Share Coordinate System to display the parameters as text. Click Copy to copy them to the clipboard. Send them to another device using a third-party communication app. On the second device, copy the text, then click Import Coordination System. In the top right, paste the text. Click Import Parameters and then Accept. The coordinate system will be successfully imported. Keep in mind that the feature must be used between devices with the same app version to enter correct calculations. For more tutorials and saving tips,
Follow us and see you next time.